What it do, ladies and gentlemen? If you're not a subscriber, do me a favor, subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit that thumbs up, leave me a like in the comments below, put blue try. These right here are the two keeper females. I'm asking 1.5K for. They're turning out phenomenal. Fronts, rear, color. You know, mind you, they're 5 months old. So they looking nice. Just look at her, man. Golly, the bone on her. She's thick, man. Like I said, I have no problem holding on to these females at all. abkc, they are my keepers. Asking 1.5K, located in Kentucky. $300 deposit, the rest at pickup. You can text me at 270-317-1952. They are Dax line bred. Their mother is a rich daughter. Their sire is Guap. You can check out my prior videos to get more about the bloodline. Look at that bone, man. Oh my goodness. Like I said, you know, got no problem holding on to them, man. 1.5K. If you need them to be shipped, $550 extra. You're more than welcome to come pick them up yourself. They are phenomenal. I'm loving them. The structure is nice. Like I said, they're young. Right now, they're at that worst stage. They at that skinny stage. You know what I'm saying? Where they look like reindeers. A lot of people don't like showing their dogs around this age because they skinny. But as you can tell, look at these two bitches. 5 months old. Turned 6 months. November 8th, I believe. They're thick, man. They're thick. I'm really debating on keeping them now because they looking real good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Located here in Kentucky. You're more than welcome to hire your own shipper or come collect and don't have to worry about paying shipping. abkc paper. Greco Bully Camp, baby. Oh, and stay tuned. This Saturday I'm gonna be releasing a breeder's great advice. A lot of bully breeders are gonna be upset. If you made it to the end, put the secret in the comments below. Stay tuned for Saturday. I'm gonna go ahead and announce it. Greco Bully Camp signing off.